WordPress for Toastmasters provides online tools to help Toastmasters clubs fill the roles for their meetings so they have a nice complete agenda every time. This tutorial covers how to set up a schedule and manage the list of available roles for individual meetings. Over the years, many Toastmasters with a techie bent have created software and web services for managing clubs and their meetings. One thing that makes the WordPress for Toastmasters project different is that it's built on a standard, widely used platform for online marketing and web publishing. If you visit the website of the New Yorker magazine, for example, that's a customized WordPress website. By adding Toastmasters-specific features on top of WordPress, we can take advantage of the efforts of thousands of web developers worldwide to make that core platform very powerful. A WordPress for Toastmasters website lets us advertise the basic facts about when and where we meet, but we can also easily add a blog post to get out a specific message about a recruiting campaign or to recognize member accomplishments. Creating a public event such as an open house is just as easy. And we can share any of that content to social media. We create and edit content, whether it's for the home page or blog posts or events, using the WordPress editor, which is basically a web-based word processor. Club meetings are managed a little differently than other events because typically they're offered on a regular schedule and include a list of sign-up roles. New WordPress for Toastmasters websites will have a default meeting template installed, but you can modify it to match how you run your meetings. If you were logged in as a site administrator or editor, the templates will be listed on the WordPress administrator's dashboard. Click on Agenda Setup to modify your agenda as needed. This is where you would set up your regular schedule. If you don't have a regular schedule, you could just say that it varies. But most clubs meet on a schedule like first and third Tuesday. Or every Tuesday at a given time. As we scroll down the page, we see a series of user interface widgets representing either text to be displayed on the agenda or roles we want people to sign up for. The text blocks can include a little bit of HTML code for formatting, but that's strictly optional. If seeing code makes you uncomfortable, just get rid of it. We can also eliminate any of these from the list by clicking Remove. We'll get rid of the humorist because that's not a standard role at our club's meetings. I can rearrange these events, for example, to put table topics after speeches rather than before. I might also change the number of speakers and evaluators we're looking for. I can also customize the message to be displayed on the agenda sidebar. When I save this, I get the option to copy these changes to any existing events based on this template, and also to create new events according to the schedule that I defined. If we view any of these, we will see the standard schedule I laid out as we defined it. I can also change the agenda setup for a specific event, for example, to reduce the number of speaker and evaluator slots to make room for a longer presentation. There are two ways to get access to the software. You can sign up for the free service at wpfortoastmasters.com. That's WP4Toastmasters.com. Or if someone in your club has web development skills, they can download the free WordPress plugins, RSVP Maker and RSVP Maker for Toastmasters, to a WordPress website that you operate. I do ask for donations to offset the cost of the project, and you can also offer support through advertising on the WP4Toastmasters.com website. But before worrying about any of that, I encourage you first to try it for yourself and see if it works for you and your club. I created the first version of this software more than 3 years ago because I wanted a better way of managing and promoting my own club's meetings online. I hope you'll find it valuable too.